My name's Stephen Hayes. I'm Managing Director of Beckhoff Automation, and we're here today with Arkessa and our system integrator partner, Interior Automation Limited. So, regarding new build and retrofit applications for buildings, we have a solution of wireless batteryless sensors which we can install without any infrastructure or wiring into a building, which then connect to a modem which has logic inside, and also the Arkessa managed data connection to the cloud. And we rely on this so that we can connect these wireless sensors directly to our cloud instance to get the monitoring and control for those retrofit solutions. If it's a new build application, then we engage very early in the process with the consultants and the architects so that we get the infrastructure in place to connect to our control system, so that the devices connected, the assets and the lighting control and the BMS has all the parameters that we can then feed back into the BIM model, so that the occupier and the facilities management companies can get live data directly from the control system in order to get a more predictive maintenance model for servicing the building. Why do we use cellular? We get asked this because there's often an IT infrastructure already in place in the building. Well, it's very difficult to engage with IT departments who traditionally don't really let other systems onto their land. Also, we can't guarantee the service we get from Wi-Fi systems within buildings. They quite often drop out, so we prefer to have a managed mobile data connection that we can configure and set up, and we know that's working when it leaves our offices. And so when we deploy on site, we know that the control systems are connected 100% first time, and this saves a lot of time on site with our engineers. In new builds, we don't rely on the other companies to put in networks and Wi-Fi, because they traditionally are the last thing to go into a building, and quite often we're waiting for BT or the IT department to put in the infrastructure, so we have dependencies on those guys. It's much better to have a secure mobile data connection to our control system that we know works first time. Do we see everything as a service in the future in building automation? Well, yes, there's quite a lot of applications where the customer wants to monitor a lot of sensors, CO2, temperature, energy monitoring, and quite often those contribute to money saving. And we can bundle the cost of the cloud application, the data connectivity and the hardware for those applications into a monthly recurring fee, where the client doesn't have to pay up front, and the monthly service is paid for by the savings achieved by the control system. So we see that as the future we could offer our customers. We're showing the wireless sensors here on the exhibition booth, where we have temperature, CO2, humidity, water leak detection and light switching with wireless batteryless devices from OnOcean, and they, when activated, connect directly to our modem, which has the Arkessa managed mobile data service. So these sensors interact with our intelligent modem, which have a configuration software blueprint which has embedded in Node-RED, so we can perform logic functions on these sensors, so we can set outputs as well as just monitor things, so we can make local edge decisions, operate control systems at the local level, and then decide what information we want